and welcome to another video from Charles on his travels, and today I am hopping on the train from Copenhagen to Malmo in Sweden, and it only takes about half an hour, and I'm looking through the round window. I was only here for around about 2 hours, so I had a wander around the shops and went and had a cup of tea and had a wander around the harbour side, which was very nice indeed. It did help that it was a beautiful day. Malmo is the third biggest city in Sweden. Although it used to be part of Denmark, it is connected to Copenhagen by a bridge, the Öresund Bridge, which has been open for 25 years. Malmo, in terms of its demographics, is a very young city. More than half of the people living in Malmo are under the age of 35. It's also popular with people that cycle, and there's over 500 kilometres of cycle lanes, making it the most cyclist-friendly city in the world. 35% of the population of Malmo are foreign born, and the football team, Malmö FF, is the most successful one in Sweden, and it's the only one of the Nordic countries to reach the European Cup final. And some beautiful buildings there and markets dotted around this beautiful town square on this lovely day. Thank you very much for watching. I'm finishing off with a nice pot of tea. Lovely.